Hi there. So in this tutorial of Odoo ERP, I'm going to tell you how to access the uh, demo database of Odoo. Okay, how to access the demo database of Odoo. When you are on this screen, this is the Odoo database accounting module, but in the demo version. You can access the Odoo demo database by two ways. Number one, demo.odoo.com, and number two, runbot.odoo.com. Open your browser and open the Google, write demo.odoo, demo odoo. Click it and open another tab in your browser, write demo.odoo.com. Run it, and now click on the demo.odoo.com. Both of these tab of the browser taking you to this Odoo demo database. Since they both are the same, close one. The password is admin and the ID is admin, all in letter. This is the demo database, the latest version of the demo version of the Odoo. You can click here from the accounting module. When you come on this is the accounting module. You can see the chart of account. This is already there. You can create here invoices for customer and for vendor. You can also enter the vendor bills. You can see the reportings. And the other way to access to the demo database by the Odoo runbot.com. Again Google and Odoo runbot. This Odoo RND runbot RND Odoo. When you click this, it takes you to the environment where there are many databases are available. So the Odoo demo database, if we click the setting and see the version, so we can see that the Odoo demo is giving us the version of Odoo 15. But on the other hand, we can see that there are many versions. If we go through the Odoo runbot, you can see there are older version available. If someone wants to see how was the older version working, like the version 16, 15, 14, 15, look at this 14. And these are actually for the learning purposes, that because it is an open source ERP, and there are developers, there are users, there are many different kind of learner who sometimes need the older version to see how it works. So if we can see here, you can see that some databases are older, 17 hours, some are 15 hours, because many users are coming every day, and the Odoo system automatically uploading these databases to other people. So other people can open the database here, which might be your database. So let's see how is looking the enterprise version of the Odoo. Click this icon and click the sign in, and the same ID admin in the little alphabets, and admin is the password in the little alphabets. Click login, and you are here on the latest version of Odoo. Click the setting to see the version. On the bottom we can see that it is Odoo version 16, and we can also see the community version of the Odoo. Look at this, the ODOO is written. If you click and it will bring you on the screen, and click the sign in button and the same password and ID admin, and this will bring you to the community version. Now in the community version we can see all these modules. These are available for the people who are using the community version of the Odoo, and all we can see that there is not available the accounting module, but we have invoice module available in the community version. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, you are encouraged to subscribe, and to keep continue browsing to get this invoicing. The POS module, the website module, the sales module, we can see all here. The data you can see here is a testing data which is filled by the people, by the way, the older learner who worked here. And all these three versions that we have seen here, the Odoo demo database, the Odoo runboard database, and the Odoo community version, all three are working here for learning purpose. If you fill and post your data here or create your own company, and when you close your company, chances are that your data will be lost, your data will be wiped off. And don't worry for this, because these are for the learning purposes. But if you create a new company, and on the URL, the link that is given, the IP number kind of thing, if you select this and keep it saved with you, this link, so it is then possible that you can access your data. But that is also not guarantee for long time, but for some time this link will working, and it will be working as long as someone else not entered in this link. If someone is entered in your company, they can delete data, and you can enter a someone database, you can also delete data. So this is for learning purposes. The point is that this demo Odoo ERP, this section, the demo Odoo database, is for learning purposes. Okay, so guys, I wanted to share this knowledge with you, because if someone is new and he doesn't know how to access the Odoo demo database, or how can someone start the learning of the Odoo ERP, by watching this video, I hope that now it would be easy for them to access the Odoo demo database. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video in the community and the social media for me. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.